Hi lovelies, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this male lock toupee with two strand twists, and I'm going to be using afro kinky bob hair to wrap the bottom of the twists. So after twisting them together, instead of using the twists themselves just to wrap on the ends, I'm going to be using bulk hair to wrap the ends. It makes it firmer, it makes the wrapped ends firmer and less likely to unravel. Okay, so I am twisting my locks first, just to make to apply some tension to the roots before I start the two strand twisting. So I'm taking the lock on the right and putting it over the one on the left and twisting. I keep twisting that way, taking from the right over the left. There are other ways to achieve these two strand twists. Some people just do theirs with the bulk hair all through. They start from twisting the bulk hair from the beginning. But I decided to twist already locked hair. So you can use this method, or if you would like me to show you how to start with the bulk hair from the beginning, just leave a comment and I'll make a video on. Both styles give different looks anyway. This one gives you a firmer twist out, but the one where you make your twist using the bulk hair from the beginning gives a more loose twist out. So you see how the base of the twist, the two strand twist looks. You see how the twist is firm. Okay, it looks tighter than a twist you would have achieved with bulk hair from the beginning. So this is our final unit. The making of this unit from the beginning is covered in the Lockwick Boss course. So if you'd like to learn to make this, you can enroll in the course. The link will be in the description box.